Hi everyone, thank you for watching. Welcome back. This is Leslie and I have my third stitch fix that I just got today to share with you. So it's been, I think I got my last stitch fix in April and I did show you guys what I got in my stitch fix number 1 and number 2. And now it's January of the following year, so it's been almost a month, maybe like 7 months since I've gotten my last stitch fix. I got focused on other things and just, you know, put it on pause. I was doing it monthly at first, but now I put it on pause and I ordered it just to see, because I was interested, like what's my stylist gonna get for me this time. So I have just gotten it today. Like, it was dark and we came home from a function like with my family, and it was sitting on my front porch and I wasn't expecting it till Tuesday, but here it is today. So I'm very excited, and all I did was just cut the tape and we're gonna see what she styled me. Now, I've lost 30 pounds since the last time I did stitch fix, so I updated everything. I updated my Pinterest board since then. I like pinned a whole bunch of stuff. Before I was really leading, like she was really the blind leading the blind before. Like I had maybe like 5 things on my Pinterest board. And so I've updated it. And so hopefully we'll get something good in this that I'm going to squeal and scream about. Let's see. It says, "Oh, hello." I forget which one I'm supposed to look at, which one I'm not. Okay, this one is the letter, I think. This is, "Thanks for letting us style you." Okay, this is the prices. So, I forget how I'm going to do this. If I'm going to look at the clothes first, I'll look at the prices as I go with the clothes. So here's this. I think everybody always reads their stylist's letter. So let's do that. I'm not going to peek at what the clothes are. I'm just going to read the letter. Okay, Andrea styled me. "Happy Fix Day, Leslie, and welcome back to Stitch Fix. I'm the same stylist who styled your last fix in April, and I'm excited to have another chance to send you some awesome items inspired by your pins. I love the winter items with the romantic feel and detailing that you've pinned, so I started with the pretty sweater from Artie Style for you. It's great with both jeans and leggings, and I remember you loving a pair of sparkly flats." I did. I loved those flats. "We didn't have the exact ones any longer, so I added this pretty pair from MIA. Pair the sweater with the dark STS denim and add the flats to show off both the frayed hem and the embellishments in the shoes. I also added the versatile blouse from Truly Poppy, sure to become a closet staple. Just like before, we love feedback, so I look forward to your thoughts. Enjoy, Andrea." So I really did enjoy it when Andrea styled me the last time, so I'm hoping I really like it this time. And I'm going to start with the shoes. I did love those flats. Alright, here are the shoes. And these are the flats. Now they are studded. Oh gosh, forgive me for this band-aid. I cut my finger. But they are, let's see. Alana Pearl Flat in the color beige by MIA, and they are $59. So we've got the little in there, the tissue paper. Let me grab the other one. These are cute. I don't love them as much as I loved those other flats, but these are really cute. And the pointy toes, I like them. I think I pinned a few kind of flats that look like this. And they have a suede feel. I don't know if they're suede or not. I don't know. But they feel suede. They really do actually feel suede, not faux suede. So that's them. Here's my burrito. There's the stuff I got in there. Let's open that. Okay. Now, this is looks like a lacy top with the zipper in the back, so it's like very, very lacy. And it's flowy, and of course it's like cap sleeve lace. And so this is Truly Poppy Jarred Lace Detail Cap Sleeve Blouse in black. And it is $58. So that's that. Looks like it might be a little bit big, but then again, maybe not. All right. Then we have RD Style Tony Lace Inset Pullover. And this is $68. Let me just make sure. It says exclusively styled for Stitch Fix. Yep, this is in color tan. Okay, so you see the lace detail at the bottom. It's kind of asymmetrical hem. I'm not too crazy about that asymmetrical hem at the bottom. But then in the front, it's got the lace detail too as well. Yeah, so it's kind of like a sweater. Oh, and it's got a zipper right here on the side. So it zips up on the side. Okay. Then there is this Paper Moon Aubrey Cold Shoulder Knit Top. I don't like cold shoulder tops. I should have put that. I don't like them. I know they're kind of all the rage right now, but I'm not a fan of the cold shoulder. And so it's green. This one is $38. So it is the cheapest one in my fix. Color olive. Man, I would get this if it wasn't the cold shoulder. Maybe I can deal with it. I don't know. And then we have, oh, these are not bad prices for jeans. The STS Blue Nev Fray Hem Skinny Jean. And these are $49. And they look like they might be my size. So, very, very, like, they have, okay, there's, like, light fraying. I like very light distressing if I have distressing. So, light fraying on the pockets and the, oh wait, I just showed you that. But, I mean, light fraying on the pockets in the front as well. And the, there is fraying on the bottom, but this side is rolled up. So maybe somebody rolled them up before they sent them to me. I don't know if they're supposed to be rolled up or not. But it does say fray hem skinny jeans, so I'm assuming it's not supposed to be. But $49, that's not bad. I don't think I've seen a Stitch Fix jeans for like less than 70 or 80, but not bad price. So yay, we're gonna go try these things on. I have to say I don't love the fix as much as I did my last one. This one's okay. I think just looking at this, I'm probably gonna get the skinny jeans, but we'll try it all on and we'll see. We'll see what the final decision is. Stay tuned. But this is the first item. I have a tank top on underneath. I didn't really think to take the tank top off, but it's, you know, it is what it is. Again, I don't like the, let me pull my hair back. Let me get this looking halfway decent maybe. I don't like cold shoulder. It is actually a nice cold shoulder top, but goodness, get right here. But I don't think it does much for me. You guys can't even see the bottom, but yeah, it just kind of is hanging there. I don't know if that's because I have the tank top on underneath or what, but it's okay. It's just okay. I don't think this will be one of the purchases. Okay, this is the lace pullover. Here is the lace detailing. It actually has like a whole lace panel in there, which I didn't realize. Let's see if the zipper has a reason for being. Not so much. I mean, it's kind of interesting. Again, I still have the tank top underneath. It would be kind of an interesting, if it was a little bit looser on me, maybe I could wear it kind of as a, because what I pinned was a lot of dolman tops. I pinned a lot of dolman tops with like leggings or jeggings or, you know, people wearing skirts with leggings and kind of glittery, stuff like this, but with glitter and with sparkle, not with lace. But I mean, you can interpret it any way, and I wouldn't really wear this necklace with it, although it doesn't look so bad now that I actually have the necklace out. But I mean, this could be kind of, you know, a nice piece to wear. I'm just not too fond of the asymmetrical. I don't love that asymmetrical hem. It's okay, but it's just okay. Okay, so I had to take the tank top off to give you the full effect because it's like boobies. It's like all up in my cleavage there. So it's okay. If I'm going, oh wait. If I'm going, let's not show you the underarms here because I don't know how shaved they are. But as you can see, it's just a little bit loose and big on me. Yeah, it's a little bit loose, and I think it looks a little awkward on me. I knew this style and this look was not going to be my favorite. I'm actually going to throw on the jeans. Why can't I think? I'm going to throw on the jeans, and we'll try those on. I'll just keep this top on for the moment while I have the jeans on, okay? Okay, first of all, I told you guys I lost 30 pounds. These jeans fit. I guessed on my size and they fit. It's been a long time since I've worn jeans this small. Let me tell you. Oh yeah, these things are being kept. Oh yeah. Look how cute they are on me though. Okay, I like these jeans. Oh wait, let me zip the fly. Like, I love this right here. I didn't even see that. Like that distressing like look right there. Love it. And then the bootay. Oh yeah, I don't have much bootay, but okay. Yes, and here's the frayed hem. Not too bad, not so bad. And they're skinny. And I love skinny jeans. And it's boots weather, so yes, these jeans will be staying. Okay, so that was my third fix. Overall, I gotta say, I'm not as excited with this one as I was with my second one. This one was just okay. The jeans, if the jeans weren't in there, I would be like, I tried on the shoes. They were a little bit too big because I went like a half size up. Like I'm really a size 7, 7.5, and I chose 7.5 just in case. They were a little bit too big, this kind of shoe, and plus they looked like court jester shoes to me. I just didn't like the look of it. So everything's going back except for the jeans. Thank you so much, Stitch Fix, for the jeans. I'm excited to see what I get in my next one. We'll see. Maybe I'll do another one next month. We'll see. But maybe on a scale of 1 to 10, this fix was a 5. It wasn't like, wow. Let's go with the totals, actually. Okay. I had a $25 credit. They used 20 of it as my styling fee. So I still have $5 for my styling fee. I mean, for my $25 credit. So I didn't know they were going to take my credit and use it toward my styling fee. I didn't know that. I thought I was going to have my styling fee and a $25 credit. But oh well. So, moving on. The subtotal, I got lost in my thoughts there for a second. The subtotal for all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces is $272. So if I bought it all, there would be a buy 5 discount of $68. So $68 taken off. And then my $25 credit, which would be a total of $179 if I bought everything. I'm not buying everything. But thank you for watching. Let me know what you liked. Did you like the jeans? Did you like something else on me? Do you think I should have kept something else instead of the jeans or in addition to the jeans? Let me know in the comments below. And of course, do click that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a subscriber. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much. All right, take care. Bye-bye.